Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the 2.5-inch detergent bellow screw clamp in your LG washer, you will need a drill driver with a Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. If applicable, loosen the clamp on the bellow. Then pull the bellow from the detergent housing and remove the clamp. To install the new clamp, set the clamp on the end of the bellow and attach the bellow to the housing. Then tighten the clamp. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Push the washer back into place. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.